Welcome to the Trophy Destination Safari series. If you've ever dreamed of experiencing an African safari but you don't know where to start, then this is the video for you.
Yeah, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know to plan your safari, what to expect, what to bring, to make it the trip of a lifetime.
Yeah, stick around and by the end of the video you'll feel confident and excited about your next adventure.
Let's start with the basics. Safaris, more than just seeing incredible wildlife. It's an adventure, a connection with nature, and for many people a lifelong dream.
Yeah, whether you're tracking the Big Five or you're enjoying luxury lodges, exploring what South Africa has to offer, like Cape Town, wine tasting, shark diving. A safari is about immersing yourself in the culture and the beauty and the traditions of the country.
South Africa may sound scary, and yeah, going to the wrong places can be dangerous. But if you stay in the right areas, we can almost guarantee you'll have an unforgettable safari.
Yeah, and why use an outfitter and a guide for your add-on trips? You know, it takes the hassle out of trying to book things yourself and plan things yourself. And, you know, you can have a designated driver if you want to go do some wine tasting or other tours. And we know all the good spots, the good restaurants, the good Airbnbs or hotels to stay at. So we recommend booking everything through us. So we make your whole itinerary and you don't have to worry about anything.
Yeah, we also recommend that you don't bring your own rifles. It's a lot of paperwork, and yeah, we have a rifle basically in every category for small game, bigger game, Big Five, and yeah, it just makes it a lot easier. Our rifles, we have long range rifles, we have smaller rifle for ladies or kids. So yeah, we basically have a rifle for every different scenario.
Yeah, and most of our rifles are suppressed, so that helps a lot with recoil management and all that stuff. So even a child or a lady can use a bigger caliber rifle and go after some bigger animals. And there's no hassle with airports and traveling. And if you do an add-on trip, where do you keep your rifle? Is there a safe in the hotel that'll keep it? So it just makes life a lot easier to rent and use our rifles. And normally, if you hunt enough with us, then we won't even charge you for the rifle rental.
Day to day, what can you expect? Early mornings, we'll wake up normally very early. We'll have a coffee, maybe a rusk or so, and we'll head out. The earlier we're in the veld, the better. Yeah.
Yeah, then there's the hearty brunch once we come back, probably around 10, 11, when it starts heating up too much and the animals are bedded down anyway in the bushes. We have some downtime at the lodge or the camp, just take a nap or relax, read a book. Sometimes if it's warm, we swim in the pool, and then we go back out.
Yeah, afternoons also after we've had some good food and our rest while it's crazy hot outside. Yeah, we'll head out again and go scan different places. We have a lot of nice rocky mountains and nice valleys, and normally late afternoons the animals start walking again. They out and about feeding, and then yeah, we'll have some sundowners out in the pastures when the sun starts setting for a beautiful experience.
Yeah, it's a perfect mix of excitement and relaxation during the day. Yeah, now let's talk for packing essentials. For first-timers, we recommend focusing on practicality and comfort.
Yeah, you'll need darker clothing, like we have on our olive green, dark brown. Normally hides better in the places we stalk from, rocky mountains, valleys with bush and trees. So yeah, and comfortable boots is also, you don't have to wear the newest best. Just comfortable for you. Walking in these mountains can be very harsh on your feet.
Yeah, and the sun is no joke either, so maybe long sleeve but light, because it can get very warm, but you want to protect yourself from the sun. But if you want to, you can go on our website, www.trophydestinations.com, and under resources we have a packing list. You can just download that and go through it.
Yeah, also a boonie hat, or as we call them, a wide brim hat, and sunscreen is also definitely something you want to pack. The Karoo sun can be brutal.
Yeah, but we're going to make another video with a full breakdown of everything that you need to bring and not bring. and then we'll link that one at the end, and you can go and watch that one as well.
Yeah, choosing the right outfitter is key to a great safari. Outfitter that prioritizes safety, hunting ethics, conservation, and an eye for the finer details. Good trophies, yeah, just make it a dream come true.
Yeah, at Trophy Destinations, we take care of all your questions, your itineraries, anything that you might want to know, from luxury accommodations, personalized add-on trips, anything like that we can arrange for you. Yeah, if you've been dreaming of a safari, now's the time. Don't wait. Don't let any questions and uncertainties hold you back.
Yeah, visit our website. We'd love to give you the perfect adventure, and check out our Facebook page, Instagram page. Yeah.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and press the little bell button so you get alerted for any new videos coming up. We're going to be releasing videos like this regularly with all the different tips and tricks. And we're going to have hunting videos, we're going to have some cooking videos, field to table kind of stuff, where we cook up something that we've hunted, different recipes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.